Yo, what up, YouTube? This is BT. Ermagerd. Got a mail from Gary O'Brien, Troop Traders. Let's open this up. Get a dummy card. Alright, let's see what we have here. I've seen a few videos of these so far. Got a box topper. Alright, here we go. Our box topper is our box auto. Damn it. We're gonna open this live together. Here we go. 1, 2, boom! Oh, got Heartbreak Polo. 2K5, Yokester, 808. Sean. Alright, ignore the phone. So we're gonna open this live right now. Alright. This one. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh, wow. So rigged. Got, oh my goodness, my own 8-way autograph. Oh snap, I saw something in the back, but I'm not sure. We're gonna have a dummy card. Alright, we're gonna have a dummy card. In the front we got Trudy Firehand inscription. Got myself Panini Master inscription. Got Bryofia, Suck It, Yeah, and Yokester 808, Sean, Lava Hands. On the back, I'm not gonna see this. Alright, on the back, wow, these are very nice cards. Damn. On the back, we got, yo, what up, Lou, Ermagerd, Balthazar, Mr. Davy, 3784, Scat Shot, yo, what up, Sean, and Acevis 22, Will Clark Van. I have met all of them, except I think Sean, which hopefully I'll meet you soon, in the near future. So very sick auto, very nice job. Very nice job, Gary, very sick. Alright, here we go, what's this one? Wow. Oh, look who's that, Mr. Davy. Oh, got his patch autograph. Very nice. I think that's from, trying to think. It's from the Baltimore area. Washington Capitals, maybe? I know he's a hockey guy, so there's an eagle. So, very nice. Davy, Mr. Davy, 3784. Got a 1-of-1 patch autograph. Very nice. Let me know, Davy. I'll send that your way. And our next card is, oh snap! What is this? 3 times patch. Papa Molly, I'm sweating. Oh snap! Oh, who's this? Got a, wow, 1-of-1. Nabzy 28, Mr. Ty 2K, and LJ Maya. Got Learn, 1-of-1, triple. 3 times Logo Man, or tags. Wow. So yeah. Got this one, Mr. Davy. And this one I'm definitely keeping right here. So, thanks again, Gary. Great job on these cards once again. And, yeah, talk to you guys later. Peace!